Hi, this is Angie. Let's now go over how to write and send custom emails to your clients using the Compose tab. This is super simple and very powerful. First, go to the Compose tab in your Photo app system. In the first columns, input the client's name and email address. Then, in the email context column, describe the email you want the AI to write. This is where you tell the system what to say. You can write something like, write an email to kindly remind the client that if payment is not received by Friday, the booking will be canceled. Or write an email to Angie giving her 5 tips to stay calm and enjoy her wedding day. Or write an email to John explaining in a friendly but clear way that if the event runs longer than expected, there's a $250 per hour overtime fee. The more details you give, the better the email will sound. Make it personal, add context, and explain the tone you want. Once that's done, go to the format dropdown and choose whether the email should be formal, friendly, casual, or something else. Next, choose the tone. For example, professional, enthusiastic, or helpful. Now, in the generate column, simply change to yes. This tells the system to create your email. The AI will generate both a subject line and a body for the email are right there in the tab. You can edit the message as much as you want or regenerate it by changing the context slightly and setting generate to yes again. Once you're happy with the result, you can decide how you want to send it. If you want to send it right away, change the status column to approved. If you want to review it later or tweak it more, change the status to save to drafts. The email will be saved in your Gmail drafts folder for you to finalize and send manually. That's it! You can use this tab anytime to compose any kind of email, whether it's for client updates, tips, delivery notices, or just a friendly check-in. It's fast, simple, and professional, and it helps you stay on top of your client communication effortlessly. Let me know if you want help coming up with good prompt ideas for email writing. I'd love to help. Let's keep going.